Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is Introduction to Guitar Lesson 1. Our topic is Introduction to Guitar Lesson 1. Guitar is a stringed musical instrument with a fretted fingerboard, typically in curved sides with 6 or 12 strings, played by plucking or strumming with the fingers or a plectrum. They are in different sizes, colors, and types. It is usually held flat against the player's body. It is played simultaneously by pressing the selected strings against frets with the fingers of the opposite hand. Guitar is a string instrument. The name of the person that plays guitar is called guitarist. You can play guitar by standing or by sitting down. You can use your finger or plectrum to play guitar. Guitar is made of wood and string. Parts of a guitar includes head, tuning, neck, string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5, and string 6. Sound hole, top, and bridge. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.